Today we are going to talk about the organic matter determination. Purpose: this test is performed to determine the organic content of soils. The organic content is the ratio expressed as percentage of the mass of organic matter in a given mass of soil to the mass of the dry soil solids. So I will repeat this definition. The organic content is the ratio expressed as a percentage of the mass of organic matter in a given mass of soil to the mass of the dry soil solids. Standard reference ASTM D2974. The standard test methods for moisture, ash, and organic matter of peat and organic soils. Significance: organic matter influences many of the physical, chemical, and biological properties of soils. Some of the properties influenced by organic matter include soil structure, soil compressibility, and shear strength. In addition, it also affects the water holding capacity, nutrient contributions, biological activity, and water and air infiltration rates. Equipment required to perform this test: muffle furnace, balance, porcelain dish, spatula, tongs. Tong is basically a tool. You can say a tool or instrument used for manipulating things in a fire or very hot environment without touching them with the hands. So you can see the muffle furnace. So this is the tongs you can see, and this is the porcelain dish. Test procedure. First step: determine and record the mass of an empty, clean, and dry porcelain dish, and just take it as m sub p. Place a part of or the entire oven-dried test specimen from the moisture content experiment setup in the porcelain dish, and determine and record the mass of the dish and soil specimen, and just take it as m sub p ds. Then next step is place the dish in a muffle furnace. Gradually increase the temperature in the furnace to 440 degrees Celsius. Leave the specimen in the furnace overnight. So look at the temperature, very high temperature, 440 degrees Celsius. Next step: remove carefully the porcelain dish using the tongs. The dish is very hot, and allow it to cool to room temperature. Determine and record the mass of the dish containing the ash, or you can say the burnt soil, and just take it as m sub pa. Empty the dish and clean it. This is the last step. Now for the data analysis, you can see first thing is the determination of the mass of the dry soil, and that is obviously m sub d, and that is equal to m sub p ds minus m sub p. We have already described m p ds and m sub p on the previous slide. Next, determine the mass of the ash or the burnt soil, and that is m sub a, that is equal to m sub pa minus m sub p. Then determine the mass of organic matter. This is m sub o, that is equal to m sub d minus m sub a. And then the determination of the organic matter, or you can say the organic content, that is OM, organic matter, that is m sub O divided by m sub D multiplied by 100. So in this way, by carrying out this analysis, you could be able to determine the organic matter or the organic content. Now in this particular slide, one example is given. You can see that two trials have been done for one particular soil, and some description of the soil sample is given: gray, silty clay. So specimen number 1 and 2, two samples from the one source. Porcelain dish number, then M sub P, mass of empty clean porcelain dish in grams. M sub PDS, mass of dish and dry soil in grams. M sub PA, mass of the dish and ash, and here the ash means the burnt soil. And then M sub D, mass of the dry soil in grams. M sub A, mass of ash, that is the burnt soil. M sub D, that is the mass of organic matter in grams, and then the organic matter or organic content in percentage. So here you can see this column is meant for the specimen 1, and this column is meant for the specimen number 2. So calculation work is shown over here. You can see here some description. You can see M sub P is 23.29 and MPDS obviously equal to 35.299, and M sub PA, that is 34.06. Basically that information is meant for the specimen number 1. So look at that. Okay, then M sub D can be calculated, M sub A and M sub O, and then obviously organic matter, organic constituent, that is M sub O divided by M sub D. So M sub O, this is 1.399, this one 1.39 grams, and M sub D, that is this one, that is 12.09 grams, 12.09 grams. So 1.39 divided by 12.09 into 100, this will give you the organic matter, and that is 10.17. So just to demonstrate the calculation work, this information is provided over here. And this is the organic matter determination data sheet blank, so this can be used for any particular soil just to determine the organic matter in percentage. Thank you.